Good afternoon, everyone. This is Miss Tachina again, back with week 3 of our stress management for middle school students. This week, I'm going to be talking about healthy eating and why healthy eating is really important for us when we're trying to manage our stress and anxiety. So, healthy eating is important because it will keep you guys alert throughout the day. It'll help keep your mood steady. A lot of times, people who eat mainly junk food, they often have highs and lows in their energy levels, which creates more stress on their bodies. And eating a healthy, well balanced diet will aid in stress management and anxiety. So, this week, what I've actually done is I've included 4 balanced recipes, meals that you might want to make with your family, maybe by yourself, maybe doing a Zoom session with some of your friends and like doing it together. That would be really fun. The first recipe I included was a breakfast recipe that is going to be a blueberry and lemon pancake. The second is a lunch option. It's a chicken noodle soup recipe. It's a homemade chicken noodle soup recipe, which I think is a really good recipe to have right now, just considering that there are some of us that are getting sick. A lot of us have allergies. The third is a dinner recipe. It's a lightened up macaroni and cheese, so it's a macaroni and cheese that's a little bit healthier for us. And the last is actually a dessert. It's a pear almond crisp. So I hope that you guys take some of these recipes and try to work through them. Just remember to keep staying healthy. Eating is a big part of staying healthy, not only staying healthy physically, but also staying healthy mentally and emotionally. So I hope to see you guys back here for week 4. Next week, we're going to be talking about healthy sleeping habits. All right, have a great rest of your week. Stay safe.